So, welcome to today's trade recap. Today's trade was pretty good for me. We had a pretty good price action. Yeah, we come into the day. I was pretty bearish because, yeah, on the daily buys we have nothing to see here. We swept this high, this low, but there is nothing to see on the daily buys, and we go directly on the 50-minute chart. Here I saw, okay, I don't know what this week was yesterday at the evening, but we had a big move up. Then we were at Asia session, we retraced down again. London opening was again a pretty bullish candle, but in London we retraced again, and in the pre-market then we had here a pretty good big move up to sweep London's high. And this was for me the sign, okay, we swept London high and we will to go to London's low, this low or either this equal lows here, and maybe to Asia low on this level here. So I was bearish, and then we come here to the opening. We opened the market at New York with a bullish candle, but this is not a real candle. We also have here this what is this there? So we have here the first presented fair value gap in pre-market. We respected the fair value gap, moved up to this big pretty good fair value gap, and yeah, at market open we inversed this fair value gap and made here a new fair value gap. This is the first presented fair value gap of the day, and I wanted that we sweep this high here and then go lower, but we moved a little bit up. Then I thought, okay, maybe we sweep also this high here and then go lower, but we didn't sweep this high here. We only swept this one, inverse this fair value gap, but made here a pretty good fair value gap, the first present fair value gap. Then I waited for a entry, and the entry was that we inverse this here. It's pretty much, we inverted on the tick. I didn't make my entry directly here because I saw, okay, we opened with the new candle and the candle was pretty bullish again, but I still wanted to get a short entry, and then we inversed this fair value gap and broke structure with this candle, and I directly made my stop loss. You can see it here directly after this closing of this candle, at the opening of this candle. And I entered with 3 contracts. My stop loss was above this high, and my first take profit was pretty much this low here. Yeah, this low here with 1 contract. Then I closed 1 contract here, and I pretty much wanted to let the runner open to this low here, but yeah, after we hit this low here, I made my stop loss above this fair value gap, or in the middle of this fair value gap, I think, and then I got stopped out with this wick, but it's okay for me. I made $420, I think. Yeah, it's a pretty good amount of money, which I'm totally fine with it. This price action till here, till we hit this sell side liquidity, is pretty perfect. We have fair value gap, inversed this fair value gap, broke structure to the downside, and got the entry. So I'm happy I took this trade. Maybe I could have, you can see it, I got stopped out here. I could have 37 points more if I closed 2 macros at this point, but it was worth it to me to risk a little bit less money, to make a little bit less money to maybe get this take profit here to the downside. But it's okay, I'm fine with it. Good price action, and yeah, we will see what tomorrow's day will bring us, and maybe we can pass the challenge this week. And yeah, I'm not rushing, I'm doing it really slow. I know how to trade, and we need to don't break the rules, and then we will get profitable. Thank you guys for watching, and we see us tomorrow. Bye.